Hello, my friends from the biker world. Welcome to another video. Minix is a premium brand for Carplay and Android Auto devices, among others. They sent us their latest CP89-HD, challenging us to use it both on the motorcycle and in the car. Let's unbox it to see what it offers us. I really like the box design, featuring just an image of the device on the front, very minimalist. On the sides, there's only the brand logo. You can feel it's a very sturdy box. On the back, there's another photo and a very detailed description of the device's features. Let's open it to see what's inside. It's very well packaged and protected. Here we have the device, the CP89-HD. It has an 8.9-inch high-definition screen with a refresh rate of 60 frames per second. On the back, we can see that its mount will be magnetic. Let's see if it's strong enough to use on the motorcycle. There's also a button to turn the screen on and off. The build quality is excellent. We'll get back to it soon. Inside, there's some foam and a protective card. Next, we have a small instruction manual, the kind no one reads. It's quite complete, with some explanatory images showing how to set up the device. We also have an auxiliary audio cable, which seems to be of great quality. Let's set it aside. Now, here's a mount. It's a suction cup mount with an adjustable, telescopic arm. You can attach it to the car windshield or dashboard and adjust its height. We also have another mount. This one is designed to be fixed in the car. You can stick it somewhere on the central console, and then the magnetic mount attaches here. You've probably used a mount like this before. The ball fits in here, then we secure it with this ring, and it's ready. You can use the fixed mount stuck in the car or this removable one, which is handy if you want to switch between cars. Either way, you have two good options. Now, what else do we have here? This is the magnetic base that will attach to one of the mounts we've seen earlier, and then the screen will clip onto it. Let's hope the magnet is strong enough to hold it. Wow! It feels really strong. I wasn't expecting that. Since it will face a lot of vibrations, I'm curious to see if it'll hold up on the motorcycle. It's really strong. I wasn't expecting it at all. It might actually work on the bike. We'll see. Now, what else do we have here? We have its power adapter, which connects to a 12-volt socket in the car or motorcycle. It has a USB-C connector for the device, and the adapter also includes a standard USB port to charge other devices like a smartphone or any other gadget. There's also a button to turn it on and off, but I don't think it'll be used much. Lastly, there's a smooth plastic base that can be stuck to the car dashboard or anywhere you want, providing a good surface for the suction mount if you can't or don't want to attach it to the windshield. Let's set it aside. And that's everything in the box. Now let's take a closer look at our CP89-HD, which I dare say might be one of the best on the market. It has an 8.9-inch high-resolution screen with a resolution of 1920 by 720, 700 nits brightness, IPS technology, and a 170-degree viewing angle. It also boasts a 60 frames per second response time, ensuring exceptional smoothness during use. At the top, there's a light sensor to automatically adjust the screen brightness depending on the time of day. It appears to have excellent build quality, very sturdy. This circle here is the base where the magnetic mount attaches. At the top, there's a cooling grill, and at the bottom, an embedded speaker for those who can't use another sound system. Speaking of sound, it has 4 output modes, an integrated speaker, a 3.5mm auxiliary output, an FM transmitter, and the best part, dual Bluetooth, allowing you to stream sound directly from your smartphone to your car speakers, keeping steering wheel controls functional. Now, let's set up one of the mounts to test how it handles vibrations. Let's tighten the mount well to avoid any surprises. There we go. Tighten this side too. Let's shake it. Well, it seems like it doesn't fall off. The magnetic system is really strong. I think we might be in luck, and this system could very well work on our bikes. We'll need to do more tests to try it out. Well, first of all, I want to thank Minix for sending us this fantastic device and challenging us to use it on our motorcycles. This is a device for those who want a Carplay or Android Auto system that can be shared across their various vehicles. If you're interested, there's a link in the description with a 10% discount. Don't miss the next video, where we'll show you how to set it up and use it on both the bike and the car. Take care, and see you in the next video.